Hello, good night. This is my homework anecdote of my friend, present by Juan David Lopez Paz in the course English B2. This is my anecdote. He is Julian Lasso, my best friend. He is a lawyer and he likes sport as much as I do. With Julian, we have been friends for 3 years, and during that time we have shared pleasant moments. We have traveled together to different places. We have shared different reunions with our relatives. In conclusion, it has been a friendship full of unforgettable moments. Our last feat was on July 8, 2018, when we participated in the Marathon Cristo Rey 7K in the city of Cali. That day there were 600 participants. The competition started at 6:30 a.m. But during the competition, my friend Julian suffered an injury that affected his right knee, which caused him a lot of pain and he could not reach the goal. And for that reason, he could not win a medal. My friend Julian was very sad about that event, but happy to have been able to participate. Thanks.